How to export in 4K quality in VN. First of all, open the app on your device and select the project you want to export. Once your project is ready, tap on the export button usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Next, you will see export settings. Look for the resolution option and select 4K. You can also adjust the frame rate and bitrate if needed to optimize video quality and file size. After choosing 4K resolution, tap on export or save. Wait for the app to process your video. The time will vary depending on the length of your project and your device performance. Once the export is complete, your video will be saved in 4K quality in your gallery or designated folder. Now you can enjoy crystal clear videos ready to share on YouTube, social media, or with friends. Exporting in 4K ensures your videos have the highest clarity, smooth playback, and professional level quality, making your edits stand out. Now you know how to export in 4K quality in VN. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.